Welcome back, everybody, and happy new year and happy 2020. Make this year better than your last. But if you're here, that means you're doing good already, because that means you're breathing and you're alive, and that's the best blessing you could have. And like you can see, we're exploring a new park called Hialeah, and we're here to explore their mountain bike trails, and this is located in Hialeah. But today we're doing something new. We're trying out the new GoPro Max and the kids' new bicycles, and you guys are coming along for the ride. We just reached Hialeah Park. We have never been here, so it should be interesting. Hopefully, it's been raining here in Miami, so hopefully it's not full of water, because I don't feel like getting wet. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it is. So should be fun today. All right, so we just entered the trail. I guess so far so good. It's not wet, so we should be doing good. And I don't know, first time here, so don't know what to really expect. And the good thing, notice there's a lot of tall trees, so really riding in the shade, that's the part I like. So, and also I'm testing out the new camera today. New 360. Okay guys, here it is, the camera footage from the GoPro Max 360. And like you guys saw, I have it mounted on the helmet. That's why it looks kind of weird. It looks like my helmet is cut in half, but it's not that. It's just the camera records everything at once. And basically the GoPro editing program, you have to choose the angle that you want. If you want the top, side, front, next to you, so it's pretty tricky, and that's why you notice kind of the wobbles in the editing, because it's my first time using this camera and the GoPro program. So it's something, something to get used to, but so far I like it. I mean, because I can record everything at once around me, and basically what I do is move the angle. The camera doesn't move, just the angle that I want to look at. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, like you notice, this is the camera that people use to make that photo that's called the small world, that everything looks round and the world's on your feet, so like this. So we'll see, I'll keep using it and hopefully I get better. And anyway, I use 3 GoPros to shoot now, so hopefully I get better angles. But one thing I did notice that I loved, the trail is really bumpy, but yet it looks smooth on the camera. So the stability on the Max is very good. So let me know what you think.
man.
Woo! There's a huge downhill up ahead.
Huh?
We're gonna go fast.
I need to see GoPro too.
Oh, somebody lost.
See, there's a GoPro on here. Stop, put the bag in the back of the thing.
Come on. Whoa, it's a big hill. Woo! I couldn't make it. I couldn't make it up the hill. I gotta push the bike. I don't know if you guys could tell on the camera, but it's pretty steep. It's pretty though out here. It's pretty nice. You guys check it out. Here we go downhill. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! That was pretty crazy. That's an old bulldozer there. Really old. Wow, that's cool. All right, let's go with the flow.
Let me go first.
Trying to keep up with the kids, but can't do it. Can't do it. Yeah, I could. I got it. I could do this. Break.
Yeah, that look at more. I thought that was a big drop coming off, okay?
Oh my god.
That cardio is better than mine.
I'm not. I'm about to catch a stroke up in here. Go ahead, do it. Do the hill.
We're going away from you.
Go ahead, right here. Go around one more time.
Joe, go here.
Go right there, look.
Wait, which way do I go?
Go out, go to the right.
Right?
Yeah.
I didn't record.
Go ahead, record.
You have the camera.
Go ahead. Thank you, Mr. Thing.
Watch me climb.
Make it right. Oh man, I'm tired. What?
I'm tired.
The raccoons are right here. Yes, sir. That's gonna be so fun.
Oh, you guys made it under here? Woo! That was cool. Watch out, watch out! Come on now! Come on! Oh, this is cool. Actually, you get to go through the trailer. Woo! Hey, go do that again.
Guy! Hey! Yo! Do that again!
Alright, like you see, this part is pretty cool, but it's not as extreme as Virginia Key Park. If you guys been to either or, let me know which one you like better. It's like usual, it's raining in Miami, so we got rained out on the trails, so we're here hanging out under the tree because it's raining pretty hard, but I think we're gonna start heading back. So hopefully we got some good footage, and it's our first time here at Hialeah. It's fun? You liked it?
Since it's super close to our house, we can go here like almost any time.
Yeah, that's true.
Look, we rode for an hour, and since we were bored, we just rode for an hour, and we had fun.
Yeah, it's true. It's really close by the house. It's like maybe, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes. So it's not that bad. But we're gonna start heading back. I don't know if you can see the water raining over the lake there. It's raining. It's raining in Miami again.
And also the trails are really nice.
It's pretty fun. I mean, we didn't do all the trails anyway.
Yeah, they're still planning because we missed some advanced trails.
Yeah, because of the rain. The Fresco's walking back. All right, let's go. Let's get wet. Let's get wet. Oh boy, here we go again, baby. The rain. The rain. Yeah, it's raining. Woo! Look at that. I don't know if you can see it on the water there. It's raining. I actually ran out of energy. I gotta do that cardio at the gym. It ain't working out here in the real world. Woo. Got me. Got me good.